Hello, and welcome to the Week in Review. Let's take a look at the first week of remote learning. Here, we'll take a look at some data analysis on our performance at the class level, really focusing on two things. That is, the length of time that students were practicing their typing and how fast those typing skills have become. We'll also take a look at preference of practice methods and finally an update on our Nitro Type League. Overall, though, it's a good takeaway. First week had 70% participation, putting Brooks at the top of the list. So, our first question here was how long did you practice? And we see our range goes from 1 minute to over 60 minutes. So, it's a wide range. Interesting pattern here of 5, 10, 15, 20, then 30. Um, and 30 minutes per week is the goal. Overall typing speed. Now, these are self-reported scores, but I do see what would they call a standard distribution that would suggest that people are being honest. So that's fair. I'd rather have you be honest with your data and actually measure your own actual growth than try to, just make up a story. Last piece here is interesting to me. It looks like about a little more than two-thirds of you prefer typing.com, but ATRT with 30%, that's still pretty respectable. So good for them. I am curious about the typing club. Looks like a bunch of people are doing that. So those are all fine methods. One last chart here. I thought I'd do an analysis to see how the length of time practice correlated with the actual speed on a typing test. And as the length of time increases, I expected to see more of a increase in typing speed overall, but we can see that there's very little correlation here, at least in the data that we've provided. Let's talk about our Nitro League. We had open registration last week, and it continues to be open. If you want to join us, please feel free. Good first week. We had a lot of matches. They are very quick. It's fun. It's fun to get invites. It's fun to interact with people, and you can see that we already have a good group of players here. These are our first 12 or so that registered, and you are welcome to join them. To register, simply go to NitroType, sign up with your Google ID, and then look at what your screen name is. It's not your account number. You get to pick your screen name and then submit that name on the Google form, which is in the assignment. I'll send you a friend invite that respond to, and then go online Wednesdays at 10 o'clock at Nitro Type, and we'll have a list, and you can challenge other people, and I'll challenge you, and we should have some fun like we did last week. About 20, 30 minutes. It's just more for fun than really any kind of tests or anything like that.